Welcome! If you want to change lock method in your Motorola Moto G7 Power, let's go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter security and location. Go for the screen lock. Currently we set up the swipe, but we can change it for the pattern. Draw your pattern, click on the next, and draw it once again. Use the confirm button. Right now we can set up notifications content on our lock screen. And right now we can try how it works. And right now our lock method has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.